Hi, my name is Tatiana. I'm the owner of Tatiana Hair Extensions, based in Kensington, London. And today in our videos we will be talking about hair, aftercare and hair extensions. Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to do party hairstyles. The first hairstyle I would like to do is a nice side fishtail. First of all, if you have a nice headband, put it first, because we're going to work around it. Brush the hair and section it in two. Our accessory has got a side feature here, so that's where we're going to do our fishtail. Fishtail is all about patience, to be honest. It's not much for precision, but patience. The smaller sections you take, the nicer it will come out. You have to take the section of the hair from either side, alternating, quite a small section, and pull it across to the other side. The little trick about it, if you pull the section from the underneath of the opposite side, the plait will come out a lot nicer. As you can see, I plaited all the way down and I fixed the fishtail with a hairband. What we have to do now, what would be nice to do, is just to loosen it up a little bit. So you just literally just pull it a little bit on the sides like that, just to make it a little bit less tight. And then just taking a little strand in the middle, just pull it a bit like that. And that was the first hairstyle, first party hairstyle, with the headband and the fishtail. For the second party hairstyle, we're going to use this bright accessory, which we're going to fix on the side. But to start with, we'll need a brush, and we will start with a Dutch plait, which is a kind of a plait where you integrate only one side of the hair, either the top hair or the bottom hair. I will demonstrate how it works. Section hair in three. You start like a normal French braid. You carry on, plaiting it until you reach the side. Then what we need to do, we just fix it with a clip here, and we will do the same thing but from the other side. Okay, once the two plaits meet each other, here, just put them in a ponytail and fix them first. And the next step would be to curl the sections of the ponytail. I think this style would look nice with the curly ends. So we'll need straightener or the curling tongs, whatever you prefer to use. Just take the section an inch wide and curl the ends a little bit. And the last step to finish this hairstyle would be to finish it and cover our simple hairband with a bright flower or any accessory of your choice. And the third party hairstyle would be a slight variation of the side ponytail with the Dutch plaits. It will be a bun, a side bun, also with the side Dutch plaits. So we take our flower out, and what we do here, we loosen up the hairband here, and we do another turn on the top ponytail. So it is, we created a little loop here. So we can twist it around here, just like that. We will use a couple of pins and hair grips to fix it. And the bottom ponytail we can section and also clip here. And that was how to do party hairstyles.